How to build your own house with natural materials? It's a question that we wanted answered, and so we joined one of the natural building workshops of Pure Mind retreats in Escamequita, Nicaragua. Incentive was to build the walls of an outside toilet for the education space Centro Educativo Suelo Sano. The walls would be mud wall using what the Nicaraguan ground provides. We learned how to find out about the right soil for mud walls, how to get the mixture right, and about the techniques necessary to build the walls. And then it was all hands and feet on practice, playing in the mud for all the best reasons.
Traditionally, they would have assembly line, which hopefully we can do today, of mixing and then forming the cobs. And then another person over there, you toss the cob to them, and then they put it in the wall.
Me encantaría quererte un poco menos. Como quisiera poder vivir sin ti. Pero no puedo, siento que muero, me estoy ahogando sin tu amor.
On the second day of the workshop, we learned more techniques, practiced more skills, and even added a decorative feature.
Como quisiera calmar mi aflicción, como quisiera poder vivir sin agua. Me encantaría robar tu corazón.
Day 3 included outside decorations and finishing techniques. The actual completion of the toilet would be the task of the next workshop though.
Como pudiera la flor crecer sin tierra. Como quisiera poder vivir sin ti. Pero no puedo.
There's a certain magic about creating something together. We didn't only build a sheltering structure, we built friendships and connections with like-minded souls, and made experiences that we don't want to miss. Thank you to Luis Sabor, head of Pure Mind Retreats, for offering us this wonderful opportunity. 3 days filled with fun, knowledge and personal growth. We can't wait to put that knowledge into practice and build our own space.
Como quisiera poder vivir sin agua. Me encantaría robar tu corazón. Como quisiera lanzarte al olvido. Como quisiera guardarte en un cajón. Como quisiera borrarte de un soplido. Me encantaría matar esta canción.
Visit Pure Mind Retreats to sign up to the next natural building workshop and learn how to build your own space with your own hands. Simple and sustainable.